Maybe me the jump question. Mayolistic.
Huh?
How is you now?
I feel cool.
Very alright?
I feel very good.
Very good.
I'm very happy.
Kaja.
Wow.
On point.
You have no
Everything
idea.
going good.
Oh,
everything dandy.
Oh, no.
My label.
Yeah.
I'm not going to understand.
Yeah.
Before the show start just now,
yes.
there was a
There was a need.
There was a
There was a rushing.
But I wasn't like this.
Mom miss me.
Oh, God, yeah.
Hey.
Something want to, yeah.
I cannot come and go and kill myself through way.
No, she say the music we just play just now long. We play the full video.
Because I needed time.
Yes. To go and...
To exasperate.
Exasperate, exactly.
Yeah. As I just sit down.
Oh, da.
Yes, now I can't do...
So that area now is concentrated.
No, not really. It's not strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
My y'all lie.
No, strawberry.
You smell it going.
If you no. If you take lots of fruits, it's not.
No, but you know, be like person who going to do strawberry. You look
really,
like Amala Ewa going kind of.
No. Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Well, there's strawberry.
The only saving grace was that there was an extractor.
What's it?
Extractor.
Okay. As you come out all the.
Yeah. So you.
But somehow, I see sorry for the person who will follow you for back.
No, not really. If you don't know anything, if you come in the next 2 minutes, you go down, extract everything.
Okay.
So I just want to tell you that I feel cool, I feel happy, I never expected it.
Yeah. Welcome. As the woman of the house, you welcome people.
Hello everyone, welcome to PADI. Again, beautiful episode and the beginning of a new week. Now it will be for everybody. My name is Namayawa and in name na Ogbolo, and together we always bring PADI come meet you Monday to Friday, 11:30 every day on Top Go TV channel 97.
All right, so after that introduction and many other things, we will sharply go for this break, and by the time we come back from the break, we don't enter every proper. All right, so don't go anywhere. They come back. Action.
Welcome back. All right, 39 minutes past 11 o'clock, and we go soon enter 12 o'clock. We'll go carry our come up from inside this particular level, but not before we give you yarn the yarn, laugh the laugh, and we gist our gist.
Yes, and then the in between all, you get the crazy craze.
Yes.
Let's play the play.
Yes.
And they see inspire,
yes.
and motivate the
There's
motivate.
even sing.
They sing the sing.
So
too.
we have quite a lot of other things. As you see us like this, we are quite a bunch of talented human beings.
A big bunch.
You understand?
Yes.
Why? Look, it's a human beings. I'm a human being. Together we are human beings.
Yeah.
Then our talent is go a long way.
Yes.
My God, our talent is quite a long stretch of rope. It's like from here all the way to Amadawa, Yola. You understand?
Yes.
It's quite a long stretch. Our talent is unfathomable. You cannot fathom it. It's too big for the human eye to conceal.
Oh my God.
You understand? You need gods to help you understand the extent of our talent. You understand? It's talent for the gods.
Yes, it's innuendoable.
Yes,
Yes, very, very innuendoable.
Yeah.
You understand me now? So basically, today on top social media,
effortlessly,
it comes.
Yes.
It just comes.
Very effortlessly talented.
You understand? From nowhere, you know.
We don't force it.
Yes, you understand. It's a part of us.
It be like it be like where them pack.
Yes.
When you release them, our talent just.
You understand? Yeah. Yes. Law of gravity, it causes forth. Yes. That's why there's a bra, there's a bliggity. You understand? So
our talent,
in the absence of the verb, the adjective to describe the verb, we say
yes.
You understand?
That is a pronoun, a conjunction of words put together in a sound.
Yes. Understanding the phrase that conjuncts the clauses.
Consultational sound.
Yes. And the clause has to be very, very on point.
High up there.
Yes, according to 90 degrees. Exactly.
So our IQ is quite a 360.
It's very, very 60 degrees.
You won't understand.
They will not know. So we come back right now.
It's for the gods.
Yeah, it's alone. It's deep. It's deep. So yarn right now. All right. So now you guys are evaluated.
Yes.
That's come back.
Yes. You have been brought forth.
Exactly.
Into the condominium of the controlled paddy crew.
They cannot understand.
No, you can't.
It's a very, very depth thing.
I'm telling you, the things that we say, the words that we speak, is for the intellectually sound oesophagus mind.
Yes.
Because your brain alone cannot contain it.
Only Homo sapiens.
Yes.
Just Homo sapiens alone.
Earthlings.
You know? Yes.
Earthlings. Your esophagus has to join together with your intestine.
Yes.
Wrap together around your umbilical cord
Lord.
to understand what we say.
Yes.
It's not only the function of the brain. It has gone past a brain.
It has gone beyond it. Beyond it. Yes.
Yeah. It is now a full body function.
Your clavicle must be at work. Your clavicle must be at work. You understand? Just rubbing against your mitochondria.
Yes.
Just slightly.
In fact, if you want to make it better, just put it very close to your cartilage.
Oh my. And then your red blood cells will respond.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
If you have some black blood cells, it can just be behind just to help them work. Yes.
Yeah, that's the thing. Your memorial gland is that thing that sends the sensation into your brain and now passes through your esophagus, goes to the tingling feeling in your leg, and then pass through your cartilage back to your brain, and then sends you the information.
Exactly. You understand? Then the juice, your brain juice, you understand, begins to boil. There's a boiling feeling and a boiling sensation. When you begin to feel that thing, that's when you become intelligent.
Yes. Finish. That's how it works for us. Okay, so back to what normal people understand. Let's come back to your level. Let's come back to your level. Your level of
this was our professor-ish state.
Yes.
You know, so we
have to do it in a way that they will understand. Because that other realm, it was too high for them. No, I know. So yeah.
Let's go.
Right now, this thing they are calling a fashion. This thing they are calling a fashion is going to put people in a lot of health problems. Now, I need you to understand that if you wear original braces, you know braces are those things where they wear to correct teeth. Like this, my teeth here now. If I wear braces, if you correct them. Now, braces are those things where they wear.
That extra you get.
This one.
Some people own the fine.
This one.
Oh, that one be like bullet.
Just shift, come on. Come on. Now, this particular braces, when you wear them, they use them arranged teeth. Then they use them. Some people wear it for a long period of time, some for a year, some for 6 months, you know, and everything like that. So, if you don't know about braces, just go on Google, type all about braces, you go understand what they talk about, all right? For those who they try to find out more information about this particular one. So, for inside Asia, China, Thailand, all those places, then. You won't believe it.
One thing believe it not.
Before I tell you what you go believe, now, like I talked before, from research, right? Even original braces, if you wear them for too long, they get in own side health effects.
Okay.
Yes.
That's original one. No?
Original braces. Okay. Braces one for medical reasons. If you wear them for too long, they get in own side effects. Now, all those places when I call Asia, China, Thailand, Japan.
Those Asian places.
Yes, my brother, they wear braces as fashion accessory.
That one don't do.
They wear them as fashion accessory. Yeah. Now you remember this singer, Gwen Stefani.
Yes.
I remember. I want try to remember that popular song. Tell me what you want if you really do.
No, that one Spice Girls.
No, yeah.
Spice Girls. Just continue.
I don't know why just that song come my head. Anyway. Gwen Stefani, that time in the 90s, she they carry braces, and she come out talk say, yes, it is actually a fashion accessory. For me, now it make her popular around Asia, Japan, and all these things. Okay. Now, for that side, for their mind, a typical fashion accessory braces is like $1,200. So then they use them show money.
Okay, so I get dough.
Yes. So now, between teenagers, so they're like, oh my God, my father is so rich, he can even afford made braces. They wear them as fashion accessories for God's sake.
But some people, they fit too. Some people, they fit. You know,
and they come in different colors.
Different colors.
Peach, blue, pink, you know.
Wow.
Can you imagine? How these fashion accessories?
My own is not even the shop meat. Now, man, if you want to jet it, don't to come and kiss somebody. How will you come and kiss somebody?
No, they are teenagers. Don't do that. They don't
okay, they're teenagers. Wait, we are bringing information to the world. I mean, well, but some adults, they wear them too now. Some adults, they wear them for this
in that particular area, not teenage fashion.
Oh, teenagers.
If you go secondary school now.
Well, teenage fashion. So not that time.
But they need to be careful because it can affect their health. Especially the fashion one. Because you know, the earring, the earring can bow in their teeth. It can peel.
The earring can bow.
Yeah.
Oh.
It can cause a demented teeth.
But not be lie, but at the same time, you know, some people said they wear glass as fashion. So if they can allow a glass for a fashion sake, they can allow a brace for a fashion sake. People they do different things now for body now for fashion sake. Oh. This one where they wear tete jeans up and down.
My brother!
Is it a fashion something?
You go that year, if you wear clothes, they go say, your cloth don't tear, you go to shame.
Yes,
now you go carry scissors by yourself.
To wear
especially
tete
shirts.
jeans.
You go cut them. You go like shirt where rats chop.
Yes.
Chop. People
you
go. They buy them thousands of dollars.
Kanye West now can't spoil everything. People they wear rag, they were now. Because that's how your own fashion line be. You understand? If you see some people crazy jeans, some they don't even understand. If you're cut small,
he gets one when I get.
Understand.
Now for the knee, they just slash and it's called ripped. They can't slash and small for here.
Someday.
Some now the whole of this place like this.
Now here like this, everywhere you don't be open. What are you? What's okay? So people don't force themselves to crease now. Say okay, I can wear a crazy uniform. Okay, but all our fashion, abi, and small time go soon come up for market again.
Children of Wobe. Children of
Wobe. Anyway, for my own gist now, it's on a sad story.
Sad story?
Sad story. It's not too sweet for mind like that, you understand? Because I would always tell parents, especially people the way they keep weapons them for house, please do your best possible. Say your weapon, your children don't go know where it is.
Be careful.
And I remember when they grew up too, our parents they buy us things them like gun and all those things, fake gun, fake sword, fake knife, just to make you. So you say, you be Rambo. Then you can't tie this for head, can't carry this come out. You will the phone get. My brother and my sister. The same way that thing take makes some of us still they okay. It still turn to some people to murderers. So to be on the safe side, not even buy toy at all. Where resemble weapons. Other toys they did now. There's toy car, there's toy baby mama. There's different toy. You can buy different toy. Must it be a gun or a weapon?
There's even toy car the size of a child.
Exactly.
Make it they learn how to drive.
Arrange this self will be toy. Okay, so you can try other means. Now this man now, he gets 7 years old picking for house. He come and have a gun. Now, even the gun, say the gun even there available, and you know load down. Before a year.
Averted pain.
You understand? Now, last the man come up for house. Only the house girl and the 7 years old boy, 9 days for house. All of a sudden, the house girl just bust out. He just see where Smalley carry the gun. Hey, I will shoot you, I will kill you. Pisha. Before the house girl go say, hey, that's what you give him. Pow! He killed the girl. 7 years old picking now. He don't shoot house girl, kill the girl. So last now, they can't talk many things, but as it be, there has been a killing. And this 7 years old, whether you like him or yes, it's an accidental or you don't kill person. You don't kill somebody.
I go put him for juvenile.
So, please, last, make for drag sense come out from the whole thing. If you parents waiting for house, aside from even those ones where they buy for children, even things them like knife for kitchen, all those level, keep them away from where children. Because where children they want to explore, they want to do adventure. You understand? If you just see knife, then you carry on. I will choke you. You don't choke. Because that I will choke you. There's a movement. Choke you. I don't choke you. You are falling. You are falling. You are falling. I see blood.
They call the child.
Mommy, he has shook somebody. You know, so you on your own side, parents and guardians, please, I beg, make we help our children. Biko, thank you very much.
On this note, we shall go for Laugh the Laugh. No.
Is there a laugh the laugh? A break.
A break. Because now this is just confusing.
And we get a video. It's a video. All right, so let's watch it.
Lighten up the mood.
All right, just to lighten up the mood quickly.
Hey, I did it.
I don't do it.
Yay.
See training. That's training. You understand? Don't be go buy a granite for street. Oh, this one is you can't train you. You can't message and send them with small. So can't message. The one we put up one time. Your parents will send you message say.
Just because they see you say you sit down.
They won't send you message.
They just see you. Then you just sit down alone. They feel like say this child is useless.
They're just useless. Just sit down there. Just
give
useless.
him a job. Go and ask the neighbor. What time is our meeting in 6 months' time? Your friend say, go check whether it house. You go trek, go the place 5, people like the next street.
Yes.
You go trek, go, you come back, mommy, day house. Go back.
Go ask her.
Go and ask. That means when we get 6 months' time, go ask her waiting be the time.
You can't go come back, say, hey.
Go ask her. We get clothes when we go wear, you go back.
Go ask her.
Come back.
Just to
go
keep you
ask her
busy.
Which color? Just to keep you busy.
If you just see you sit down and say, hey, yeah, clean the fan.
Go and arrange the roof.
Parents, so see training what just see just now. You know, I mean, we'll go for the next gist. They turn out today.
All right, okay. So for inside the northern part of the country, where they call Bauchi States. Now, this particular man, a sheikh, for those who be Muslim fanatics, you go understand those what they call sheikh. All those they are Muslim Islamic scholars them.
Okay.
And they call sheikh. Now, this particular man, he is around 89 years old. He done born 61 children, and he just married another wife.
61 children, and he's still married. Well,
he just married another one.
He's fulfilling his
And he's
destiny.
89 years old.
89 years old?
1 year away from 90.
89 years old? Yes. Palestine. 89!
Yes. He won't marry another one.
He won't marry a new one again. And now I'm going to see Bono. Wait till it be like this now.
Well,
Wadala.
I mean, what's the joy of getting married with children?
Bagadele. That means Pile.
His
89.
mitochondria is quite active.
Oh, Madalale. Don't worry. Your own is not too late if you are watching like this. Oh, now the new wife we want to acquire be that. This one will be Smolina. The babe self don't go. From the look of things. Maybe it's for companionship. Maybe for companionship. But anyway, good luck to you, Oga. Fire down. Don't worry. It's a buffet. Just fire down. Serve yourself. All right? You are free to. Who says you cannot? I mean, we'll go for a break. We'll come back right now. Quickly. I say we'll go for a break now. So please, help me. I need help.
Jai, give us laugh the laugh. We get laugh the laugh.
We get laugh the laugh. Time not again. We get one more gist, chat, but because the gist is long, one kind.
Give us laugh the laugh.
We'll go for laugh the laugh, sharply. You want to pay me?
You can't go back.
You got.
Come go. Fill up. Come back. Come go to shake.
I'm going to shake everybody. You want to pay me? Say come wear white like me. If I beat you, if you reach house, no. You collect better beating. Come go to shake the whole world. They say, hey, I've done it. Hey, All right,
follow us for Twitter at Wazobia PADI. Follow us for Instagram at Wazobia TVNG. And if you feel you want to follow us individually, my own at Mayowa Ekpo on top Instagram, at Ogbolo on top Instagram, at Mayowa Lambe on Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter, and then on top Snapchat now at Mayowa Ekpo and at Ogbolo on top Snapchat. Don't forget to facebook.com, there for you /Wazobia TVNG. Just search for PADI, including of youtube.com /Wazobia TVNG. Search for PADI, and we shall be there facing you eyeball to eyeball. Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we will see you now tomorrow. God bless you. Just like we read for our gist just now, I beg parents, do your best possible to make sure you keep everything if you scatter your Pekin life. Or anything if you put up for wahala, keep them far from the Pekin, I beg.
Oh, yes.
Let's be very, very cautious of these things.
Yes, and one more thing, no matter the kind of person where you be, no matter the kind of human being you be, just try to step up to our level. We're tired of talking like normal people.
Yes.
Step up to our level.
Based on the professorship.
Bring your intestine, coil it together with your cartilage. Yeah. You understand? Now boil it.
Yes.
You can, it's
very upgrade.
Just carry your head, do like this.
Upgrade. Yes.
Come on,
yes.
Boil them, do like this. You go open.
Then you can shake it sometimes.
Then you can understand what we're saying.
Upgrade, evolve.
You understand? Because the state we're in now, our mitochondria is no more here. It's not under our leg.
It's here. Yes.
So yeah, put some respect.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.